Hi there. Want to convert your PDF into a plain text file? Extract all the text quickly with Foxit PDF Editor. Here's exactly how, step by step. This is our sample PDF, ready to be converted. Simply head over to the Convert tab. Expand to Other and select to Plain Text. Click Settings. Choose the page range and close the pop-up. Finally, click Save. Once the conversion finishes, the text file will open automatically, and the formatting remains perfectly intact.